Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be planning for the week of February 6th through the 12th. This is the vertical planner that I use as my wellness and fitness planner. I am using the printable from Baker Lane Studio. I have a link in the description box. If you sign up for her no spam newsletter, you'll get a discount code for this. This is based on the original Breathe planner that came out several years ago from Happy Planner. It's just a vertical with some journaling prompts. The wonderful thing about this printable though is that we have 31 different prompts, so you have a different prompt every day of the week. Still have our wonderful currently section, memory of the week, our open circles that we can use for whatever we want. So highly recommend you check it out if you're considering a wellness and fitness planner. Alright, so the theme I'm going with is a little bit of a combo. Basically, one of the options for the Canadian Happy Planning group, their hashtag for their challenge is MambyHPFB group. Is one of their options is animals. Plannable February 2023 Snow Day Sparkle, and I also feel like a little tiny bit my perfect gift for me at least would be a nice remote snowy place to live. So I just did the unboxing of the new Into the Wild kit from Planners Anonymous. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it in the cards up above, but I gasped. I literally gasped when I opened the package and saw the papers for the first time. I absolutely adore this. My regulars know green is my favorite color, followed closely by blue. So the colors in this, the scenery in this, it reminds me of Mount Rainier, which I can see from the back of my house. Oh, I just absolutely love it. So we're going to use this. It's got animals, it's got snow, so I think it fits several of the challenge themes. This is the sticker book, the additional sticker pack. I also have pulled all three of the washies. I'm not sure I'll use the skinny plaid one, but I definitely want to use these two. And then I also pulled some skinny and normal sized overlay tapes because I like to use them. I think what I want to do, normally I just put them on here, pick a color and put them all on here, but I think I want to go every other. So I'm going to speed it up while I do that. I'm just going to go alternate between the green and the blue on my days of the week, just to get started. As you can see, these are as wide as a vertical box, so they are great for basically, I mean, you don't have to use these. These are, by the way, are from Narrative Hues, formerly Girl Boss Anna. And basically, it's a sticker that kind of acts like, does the same thing that a highlighter would do. So you can get these and use them. I use them for more than just highlighting text like I'm doing now, but they're just an alternative. They're fun. All right, I'm also going to go ahead. So for these circles, I like to use them for keto. I do a frowny face or a smiley face, depending on how well I ate on a given day. It just gives me a good snapshot. If I see a bunch of frowny faces, it's a little bit of a red flag. So since I've got green right there, let's put blue right there. I think I wrote small enough for one of these to mostly cover it. All right, and then I pulled these wider ones. I could use, I think I'll stick with the skinny. I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep going and alternate these down the side of the page as well on the currently prompts. So memory of the week, I've been having fun with that one. Reading, oh my gosh, everyone, I love to read. I've always loved to read. I have been inhaling these rom-com books, slightly spicy, little PSA there, by Megan Quinn. I have just wanted to do nothing but sit and read all day long, all night long. I just lay in bed and read, and I don't get sleepy, and next thing I know, it's after midnight. So, and I haven't read like that since I was a teenager. So highly recommended. Again, her name is Megan Quinn, and I'm currently on, I think it's called Untying the Knot. And oh my gosh, I was laying in bed crying last night, you guys, reading this book. It was so, so good. All right, so again, I'm going to, since I think the closest one here is blue, I'm going to go ahead and alternate across the journaling prompts as well, just spreading that color all around. I never finished telling you the rest of my currently prompts either. I have been listening to jazz in the background. We have an Apple TV, so I just turned Spotify on there and play jazz in the background while I read and read and read, and it's been glorious. And let's see, watching, I haven't been watching anything because I've been reading. All right, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and set up my center section. So what I do is I put 4 washi dots on there, and there are dots in this kit. They are on the pages that have this is clear matte sticker paper. So I mean, you can write on them, but since I don't necessarily need to check these off, I put 4 on there for my food diary: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. It's already got hydration bubbles in there that you can color in, and then I do a space to fill in my workouts. So what I'll do is go ahead and speed this up. Grab my super pointy tweezers. These are for dealing with artificial eyelash extensions, or just artificial eyelashes in general. I'm just going to rotate through the different colors. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are not, if there were 7, I would use the same 4 colors, the same color for 4 days, but since there are not, I will go ahead and rotate through them. And then I can write on these. I'll go ahead and put 4 of these on there for my workout information for a given day. These overlay tapes. And I'll be back. All right. Lots of color spread all around. I love it. I do like to put some color down here. I was thinking I could use a couple, since this is snow day and animals, I could use maybe a couple of boxes for this. Let's see. And just do like every other space. I don't know. I love using these, but there really isn't a space for it on this particular layout. So one of the things I was thinking I could do would be to grab this quote. I don't really want to turn it this way because then the quote won't be turned right, and you guys probably are having a hard time telling what the heck I'm babbling about. But see how it's cut into separate pieces? So I can use different pieces in different places. I could use, do every other space down here with a box like this. I'm just debating. Do I want to do that? I need to get some animals in here, and I need to get snow day sparkle. So I think what I could do is put the owls, I think I want to put them up here kind of as a weekend banner-ish kind of a thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. A little bit of an uneven rip on either end. And then one of the things I talked about in my unboxing video of this was how there's a white space in between each piece, so you can rip them apart and use them as separate stickers kind of, and see the sparkling snow on there. I love that. Let's do that. Maybe I'll use these down here in a couple different places. So this one's pretty wide. Let's try to just kind of do uneven rip, but in between the little scenes. And since this is a bigger one, let's put it kind of down here. And I don't mind if I take up some of that space. This tree is kind of on the smaller side, so we can kind of put it up higher in amongst the writing, and then I'll just journal around these. So there's another kind of bigger one and smaller one. Let's go ahead and do the same thing continue the same thing on this page. Since I don't really have a long quote for across the bottom, that works there as well. Okay, so far so good. We've got some nice deco down here. And what I can do is use alternating colors of green and blue pen. Let's look for something to put up here as my space to write my weigh-in information. Something square or round. Oh, I can't wait to use some of these. They're so pretty. Not really anything square or round that is small enough. So let's go ahead and just use a another one of these. I can write on one of these. I feel like there's a little, this is where I put it between Monday and Tuesday. I feel like there's a little more blue than green. So we'll go ahead and go with a green one. I guess I could do both and layer them, but that's okay, that works. All right, I noticed there's a new thing in here, this kind of torn corner, and I wanted to see if I could fit this down here in this corner, because there's plenty of room for watching. So I just felt like I wanted to go ahead and put that there. Yeah, I like that. I can still write my answer in for watching there. The other thing I could have done though, since this corner kind of has stuff already going on, oh, excuse me, hiccups, I could have put it up there, but I do have this as a weekend banner, so I guess that's not really necessary. Okay, let's see then. I want animals. I love her. Oh my gosh, she is just dreamy, don't you think? So Snow Day, Sparkle, and My Perfect Gift, and Animals. So we got to put animals on there. I got some on there. I feel like this window would be my perfect gift. Like if we had a view like that, before COVID, we were planning on buying a piece of land and building our dream house, and COVID put all of that on hold. So, but this would be still my perfect gift. So I think I want to go ahead and put this on there. I think I want it to be kind of like the center piece over on this side, because that is just breathtaking, and that definitely makes me feel like this is a wellness spread for sure. How cozy and comforting is that? I think I want to put, I don't usually put girls in my planner, but I absolutely love her. I think she is beyond gorgeous, and her cloak looks like wings. Look at that. It's so pretty. I was toying with the idea of putting her here and kind of writing around her, but she takes up a little too much of the space. So I think I'll put her here, kind of with that view. Like she is out in that view. I love that. Okay. We need animals. So what if, you guys know I'm a cat person. My husband wants a dog someday. We will have a dog when we have more space. I really want to put this guy on there because he belongs in this scene as well. So pretty. I kind of want to put, should I put a feather up there? I want to put a feather up there. Okay, that side is done. Let's come over here. More animals. So I have that. I kind of want, should we put the squirrel? I think I want to put the squirrel on there. And let's put that, I've got the owls right there though. I love this scene. It's so pretty. What else we got? This book, I should have ordered 3 of this book. It is so pretty. I mean, I knew I would like it, but oh my gosh. I think I want to put this scene on there too on the other page. For a little bit of balance, because I have a bunch of big stuff over there. I do have that. Let's put the trees with the squirrel. Like he's in the forest. Look at that snow. That's so pretty. I love how she did the foil on these. And then just a little something right there. Maybe this owl sitting here in the forest. Under the tree. Yes, super cute. And then how about a snowflake? I just saw this snowflake. I'm just like all of these. I want to use all the stickers and the pine cone. There. That, I think I just broke a record for how fast I did a wellness spread because everything was just too easy to use. It would be fun to have a few snowflakes up there. I want silver snowflakes. So you know what I'm going to do? You know who has the best foil? Sticker Guru. I'm going to pull some silver Sticker Guru snowflakes to throw on here, and I'll be back. So these are silver holographic foil. Love them. They are from Sticker Guru. I cut it off because I needed it to be a little bit thinner, shorter to fit in my storage. But oh my gosh, we're just gonna sprinkle these all around and it will be done. I just think the holographic foil is so pretty. And you can tell it's holographic because the reflection that comes back to you when the light hits it just right is rainbow. That's how you tell it's holographic. Just kind of randomly rotating through these. Let's put a couple down in the scene as well. Okay, that's it. It is done. I love it. I am going to have so much fun staring at this one for a week. A week is not going to be enough time. I can already tell you that. So there we go. There is my sparkly, snowy animals, my perfect gift combo spread in my wellness and fitness planner. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to check out those challenges, have some fun with them, see what kind of fun things they inspire, mix small shop stickers and big shop mainstream stickers, just to mix it all and have fun. If you do like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, dropping me a smiley face or a kind word. All of those interactions with my YouTube videos really are making a difference. They're helping me grow my channel and are a great way to support me. Thank you.